Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the Little Mermaid on Just Impress without any VIP items. So let's get started with the video. For the hair, I use this hair in this color 7F191 in only bangs, no adjustments made. Select these bangs in the same color, position the Y at 0.53, rotate the X to 0.29. Grab this hair in the same color and I just toggled it to animated side wind. You can also do the front wind one. Slight wind is totally up to you which one you want. Then we're going to grab this new code item and top, turn off chains and color it this purple 5, 8, 10, 8, 9. If you have this, you can use it, but if you don't, you can just use the plain. It's not very plain in my opinion, but you can just use any mermaid tails that you have. You can even just use this one, which is free. So color this green 1F512E and then 3B9A58. Then to add more pizzazz, I just use this top here in the same purple and glitter. And then I will use this just for the rock, or is it the like clouds, you know? If I can just find it. This one in like a gray color for the rocks, and then I think I'm gonna just do green for this, and then for that I'm just going to do like a blue. Can I do glitter? Yeah, I'll do glitter, and then the rest I'm gonna just do like green, I guess, for seaweed. I don't know. And that is pretty much it. Again, you can use any tail you want. I have the like newest tail at the beginning, but you can use this one too if you'd like to. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.